Dobrodošli u posljednji video u ovom serijalu posvećen Dolčevoj listi najfrekventnijih reči u engleskom jeziku. Danas nas čeka 41 nova reč. About. She always talks about money. Better. The film was better than I expected. Bring me that book. Carry. These books are too heavy for me to carry. Clean. I'm going to clean my room. Cut. I've cut my finger. Done. I've done my homework. Draw. Anne can draw very well. Drink. Would you like a drink? 8. We've been married 8 years. Fall. The water's deep, so don't fall in. Far. Don't go far. Full. The glass is full. Got. I got a phone call from Anne last night. Grow. Children grow so quickly. Hold. Can you hold the bag while I open the door? Hot. It's a hot sunny day. Hurt. My head hurts. If it rains, we'll stay at home. Keep. You can keep the change. Kind. Be kind to your sister. Laugh. He's so funny, he really makes me laugh. Light. Could you turn the light on, please? Long. She's got long hair. Much. I like you so much. Myself. I bought myself a new coat. Never. I've never been to Australia. Only. I was the only person in the room. Own. I'd like to have my own car. Pick. Pick some apples. 7. We're open 7 days a week. Shall. If you do that one more time, I shall be angry. Show. Can you show me your new apartment? 6. Anne's 6 years old. Small. That jacket's too small for you. Start. When can we get started? 10. Let's count to 10. Today. What's the date today? Together. We worked together on the project. Try. I'll try to call her again. Warm. Those gloves look nice and warm. Završili smo sa našom listom. Ako niste ispratili prethodne videe, ostavit ću ih u opisu, a možete i da kliknete na jedan koji će se upravo pojaviti na ekranu. A ono što razmišljam dalje da uradim je da vam odgovorim na pitanje šta kada naučim Dolčeovu listu. Tu ću vam dati svoje mišljenje šta dalje da preduzmete kako biste usavršavali svoje znanje engleskog jezika. A ako vam se video dopao, molim vas jedan like, podelite sa još nekim i razmislite da se pretplatite na moj kanal. Vidimo se već kroz nekoliko dana, hvala vam na pažnji, doviđenja!